This simple spice from your kitchen cabinet just might be the secret to winning your battle against acne and inflammation. Whether you've dealt with acne in the past or are currently battling breakouts, you're not alone. Acne is an incredibly common problem that can affect people of all ages, genders, and skin types. Acne occurs when our hair follicles become clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. It can manifest in various forms such as whiteheads, blackheads, pustules, or cysts. Not only can acne be physically uncomfortable, but it can also have a significant impact on our self-esteem and confidence. But fear not. Today, we're going to explore how a simple spice from your kitchen cabinet might just become your new skincare ally in the battle against acne and inflammation. That's right, we're talking about turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice has gained popularity not only in the culinary world, but also in skincare. In this video, we'll uncover the science behind how turmeric can help with acne and other types of skin inflammation. We'll also share some practical tips on incorporating turmeric into your skincare routine, whether it's through homemade face masks or turmeric-infused products. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which possesses anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Curcumin in turmeric helps regulate sebum production, reducing the likelihood of clogged pores and the formation of acne. Furthermore, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can calm down the redness and swelling associated with acne. It can also help inhibit the growth of bacteria responsible for acne breakouts. Using turmeric as a face mask can be a great way to harness its benefits. Here's a simple turmeric face mask recipe you can try at home. You're going to need 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon honey. In a small bowl, mix the turmeric powder, honey till you have a smooth paste. Cleanse your face thoroughly before applying the mask. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the turmeric mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off the mask with warm water, gently massaging your skin in circular motions to exfoliate. Follow up with your regular skincare routine, such as moisturizing. Remember, turmeric has a bright yellow color that can temporarily stain the skin. Adding a few drops of lemon juice to the mask or using a gentle cleanser after rinsing off the mask can help minimize staining. If a turmeric mask isn't your thing, you can also find skincare products that incorporate turmeric as an ingredient. Products like cleansers, serums, or moisturizers that contain turmeric or curcumin to help manage acne and inflammation. It's important to note that turmeric may not work for everyone, and some individuals may experience skin sensitivity or allergic reactions. If you have pre-existing skin conditions or concerns, it's best to consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. That's all for today's video on how turmeric can help with acne and other forms of inflammation. Whether you choose a DIY mask or opt for turmeric-infused skincare products, remember to listen to your skin and consult a professional if needed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.